Foreign, ting ting, double M, free Vaso, free Denny Mo. RIP my nigga Jim Marino, man. Jim Marino City, nigga. Double M. Foreign. I'm chillin', nigga, I'm coolin'. With this foolin' on it. Young Mel, I be foolin' on him. Hell yeah, I got this cooler on it. Hell yeah, I got that tech. I be damn near ready to break his neck. In the old school war, I'm in a vet. I Nike a nigga, let's call it check. I'm a real nigga, that's no respect. I'm a loyal nigga, so I got faith. If a hood nigga hate no mail, I'ma hit his ass with an SK. And I'm iced up like a damn cake, moving damn weight. I'm on a damn A4 on Pine Street, moving damn weight. With some little niggas, some hood niggas better pop. I shoot a badge off a cop. I'm in the scuds on and I don't never fuck with no ops. Not a bitch nigga walk on my block. Guaranteed nigga hits the scene, nigga, from these bullet shots. Cause I don't give a fuck, nigga, I love watching bullets drop. Hood nigga like me, that foreign nigga in the D, but that foreign nigga in the ski. On Pine Street, I leave you sleep. In the graveyard, I treat a nigga like he my slave, dog. Real nigga, I'm so hard, it's like I live in the cave, dog. That little nigga go hard like he a pit in the cage, dog. And I don't give a fuck about no nigga. And I don't give a fuck about no nigga. Cause Mel ain't never been a hoe nigga. Pull a mag out quickly to blow niggas. And RP my nigga Young Rob, nigga. And all my niggas with the mob, nigga. And all us know to do our job, nigga. What up to my nigga Shine, nigga? And you know we go trill. So shouts out to my nigga Trill. I got Kim K in the booth when he go hard on every track, nigga, and it's real. I be popping niggas like a fucking pill. I'm in the scuds on you and get killed. I got 100 niggas right there in the field. They ducked off like Call of Duty. And my little niggas like it's a movie. My little nigga 12 got a Uzi. I know I got a point, little niggas shooting. My little niggas out here recruiting. All that weight, who the fuck you think moving? Y'all little niggas out here ain't proving. Y'all little niggas out here ain't moving. Y'all dodging, and we shooting. I fucking kill a nigga kids, nigga. Leave him laying in the fucking ditch, nigga. I'm a real nigga, I'm not a snitch, nigga. My niggas fighting like some pits, nigga. All they do is lock on some shits, nigga. And all my niggas with the shits, nigga. Understand how I get, nigga. Make 6 O's of that brick, nigga. Y'all don't know what I'm about, nigga. I got killers all in my house, nigga. Everybody on my couch, nigga, with their guns on them sticking out, nigga. Every nigga with me pout, nigga. We don't never smile and that's a doubt, nigga. Niggas hating cause I'm out, nigga. Got out of jail, nigga, and I'm route, nigga. On that damn clean route. Def Jam on that mean route. Hell yeah, I'm on that team route. 40 knock a nigga team out. 40 naked nigga take his bread, then shave his dreads. Might take his head and take his hands. I've been taking bands. I'm a young nigga, I've been making plans. I'm a real nigga, so fuck what you saying. If you try me, I'll leave your body man to a fucking van or a fucking can. That trash, boy. Young Mill, they call me Mad Boy. I'm a glad boy. You a mad boy, cause I got swag, boy. Is you mad, boy? All my niggas toting that mag, boy, so don't fuck around and get blast, boy. That 40 put you on your ass, boy, like a shitter. I'm in the hood and I'm typing bitches on Twitter. And they love me cause I'm that nigga. And that Facebook, I'll put your ass on a shirt, nigga, like a nigga putting that photo nigga on Facebook.